Next problem 16. Problem number 16, sir. From the details furnished below, okay, you are required to compute the comprehensive missed rate. Comprehensive missed rate is nothing but missed rate. Missed rate is nothing but comprehensive missed rate. So that means it includes two types of expenses, machine expenses and machine shop expenses. Both are considered while calculating the missed rate. That is called as comprehensive missed rate. Original purchase price of the machine 3,20,000 rupees, sir. Subject to depreciation at 10% per annum on original cost. So this is period wise calculation. This is period wise calculation. Okay, depreciation on period wise. 3,24,000 into 10%. Okay, 32,400. Sir, normal working hours for the month 200 hours, sir. The machine works to only 75% of capacity. So that means 25% of hours were lost due to normal repairs and maintenance. In the absence of information in the problem, so that is assumed as 25% of hours were lost due to repairs and maintenance. Okay, right. Next. So effective working hours are 200 into 75%, 150 hours. 150 hours, right. Next. Next, sir. Sir, wages of machine man per day of 8 hours. Day wage is 125 hours, sir. Per day wage amount 125. So per day wage amount 125. Per day means 8 hours. So 125 divided by 8. 125 divided by 8. 15.625, sir. 15.625. Right. Here wage is paid to the worker for 150 hours or for 200 hours? 200 hours. Sir, worker present 200 hours. So wage paid to worker for 200 hours, not 150 hours, sir. 200 hours. Right. While calculating the missed hour rate, in that case, effective hours should be taken. While calculating the machine man wages, you should take 200 hours. You should take 200 hours. Okay, right. So 200 hours. Sir, 200 hours means number of days, sir. 200 divided by 8. So 25 days, sir. 25 days. So 25 days into 125. 3,125, sir. 3,125. Next, wages of helper. That is machine man as attendant, assistant or attendant. So helper per day 75. 25 into 75. 25 into 75. 1,875. Okay. Sir, power cost for the month for the time worked. So power consumption only at the running of the machine. Okay. So that means power consumed only in 150 hours. Power consumed only in 150 hours. Okay. Next. Supervision charges, that is the machine shop expenses. So that is also included, sir. Machine shop supervision charges apportioned for this machine center for the month 3,000 rupees. Next. Electricity and lighting charges 7,500. Repairs and maintenance including consumable stores 17,500. Repairs and maintenance including consumable stores 17,500. Next. Insurance of plant and buildings apportioned for the year 16,250. Other general expenses per annum 27,000. Okay. Sir, workers also get some benefits, sir. Here workers are paid fixed dearness allowance. Workers means machine man and also helper. So workers means machine man and also helper. So workers are paid a fixed dearness allowance. So monthly fixed dearness allowance is 1575. Next, production bonus payable to workers, 1/3 of basic wage and dearness allowance, that is the 33.33%. Next, add 10% of the basic wage and dearness allowance against the leave wage and holidays with pay. Leave wage and holidays with pay, paid leaves and paid holidays. Paid leaves and paid holidays amount is 10% of basic wage and dearness allowance. Right. Next. So, add 10% of basic wage and dearness allowance against the leave wages and holidays with pay to arrive at a comprehensive labor wage for debit to the production. So, these expenses are considered while calculation of mission hour rate. While calculation of mission hour rate. Okay, right. Okay, sir. First, working note, sir. Total earnings of machine man and total earnings of helper. Problem number 16. Problem number 16. Calculation of labor cost, of machine man and helper. Okay. Machine man, helper, particulars. Okay, right. Basic wage. Sir, basic wage is given to workers for 25 days, sir. That means for 200 hours. Here 8 hours is 1 day, sir. For 8 hours equal to 1 day. For 200 hours equal to question mark, that is 25 days. Daily wage rate is 125. 25 into 125. 3,125. Next, 25 days into 75. 25 into 75. 1,875, sir. 1,875. That is the basic wage. So here workers are paid. Workers means machine man and helpers are paid fixed dearness allowance monthly 1,575, sir. So dearness allowance. Fixed dearness allowance monthly 1,575. 1,575. Next 1,575. That is dearness allowance. Next. Next, sir. Next production bonus. Sir, here basic and DA total we get basic and DA total 3125 plus 1575 is equal 4700. 4700. Next 1875 plus 1575 is equal 3450. 3450, that is basic and DA. Next, production bonus. Production bonus. Production bonus. 33.33% of basic wage and DNS allowance. 1/3 of basic wage and DNS allowance. 1/3 of basic wage and DNS allowance. 1150. 4700 divided by 3. 1567. 1 minute. Another one is also there. Next, sir, 10% of basic wage and DNS allowance against leave wages and holidays with pay. So, paid leaves and paid holidays. So, leave against wages. Leave against wages. Leave against wages. Leave against wages. So, 10%, sir. 10% of basic and DA. That is 10% of basic and DA. Leave against wages. 10% of basic and DA. Right. 4700 into 10%. 470. Here 345. Okay. Total earnings or total wages. Total earnings or total wages. Sir, 4700 plus 1567 plus 470 6737, sir. 6737. Next, 3450 plus 1150 plus 345 is equal 4945. 4945. Okay. Right. It is ready. Now calculate comprehensive machine hour rate. So, calculation of comprehensive machine hour rate. Right. Sir, here machine hours are given for the period of 1 month, sir. So, please collect the expenses for 1 month, sir. Please collect the expenses for 1 month. Please collect the expenses for 1 month. So, fixed charges per month, particulars particulars, amount, rupees. Fixed charges per month. Right. Depreciation of the machine. Depreciation of the machine, sir. Depreciation of the machine. Depreciation of the machine. Here depreciation is calculated on time wise. Every year 10% cut the value. So there is period wise calculation. That's why it is shown under the head fixed charges. So 10% of 3,24,000, sir. 10% of 3,24,000. That is equal 32,400 into 1 by 12. Right. So 3,24,000 into 10%, 32,400 divide by 12, 2,700, sir. So that is the depreciation of the machine, 2,700. 2,700. Next one. Next one. Wages of machine man. Wages of machine man, sir. Wages of machine man. See working note above. See working note above. See working note above. See working note above, sir. 6737. Next, wages of helper. See working note above. 4945. 4945. 4945. Power, that is variable. Next, supervision charges, that is the machine shop expenses. So while calculation of comprehensive machine, so both are considered. Both are considered, machine shop expenses as well as machine expenses. So supervision charges should consider. Supervision charges should be considered while calculating the machine overhead. Right. Supervision charges. Supervision charges. Supervision charges. 3,000 for the month, sir. Directly given for the month 3,000. Next, electricity and lighting. This is also machine shop expenses. It should be taken into consideration while calculating the machine overhead. Okay. Electricity and lighting charges. Electricity and lighting charges, sir. Electricity and lighting charges. This is also given for the period of month 7,500, sir. 7,500. Next, repairs and maintenance including consumable stores. This is also given for month, but it is a variable item, sir. So no need to show under fixed charges. Next, insurance of plant and building. It is given for the year, so it is converted into per month. So insurance of plant and buildings. 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 16,250 per year, sir. Per month into 1 by 12. 16,250 divided by 12. 16,250 divided by 12, sir. Right. 1354.17. 1354.17, sir. Okay. Next. Other general expenses, it is also given for period of 12 months. So, it is converted into per month. So, other general expenses. Other general expenses. Other general expenses. 27,500. 27,500 into 1 by 12 divided by 12. 27,500 divided by 12. Sir, 2291.67. Okay. So, completed, sir. Fixed charges. Next, variable charges per month. Variable charges per month. Variable charges per month. So, what are the variable charges? Repairs and maintenance, consumable stores, special chemical solution, Next, depreciation and running basis. Here, depreciation is period basis. So, it is shown in fixed charges. Okay, right. Please collect. Repairs and maintenance including consumable stores. Okay. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance including consumables. So, it is given per month, sir, 17,500. Next, power cost 15,000, sir. Power cost for the month, sir, for the time work, power cost 15,000. 15,000. Next, sir. Completed, sir. Okay, right. Only 3 items are there. Okay. Now, total mission expenses. Total mission expenses. Total mission expenses per month. Right. 2700 plus 6737 plus 4945 plus 3000 plus 7500 plus 1354.17 2291.67 17,500 15,000. 15,000. 61,027.84 divided with effective working hours, sir. Divided with the effective working hours. B. Effective working hours of a machine. Effective working hours of a machine. That is 75% of 200 hours. 150 hours. Okay, A by B, sir. So 406.85, sir. Yeah, exactly 406.85. Very good. So A by B 406.85. So this is the comprehensive machine hour rate. Comprehensive machine hour rate. A by B. Okay, right. So this is the problem number 16, sir. Problem number 16 completed. Okay. Next, sir. Problem number 17, sir. Problem number 17. Problem number 17. Right. Machine shop has 8 identical drilling machines. Okay. Manned by 6 operators. 8 machines were managed by 6 operators. Okay. Right. Sir, one doubt, sir. Machine hour rate for one machine or machine hour rate for 8 machines? What to require, sir? Please search the question. Here you are required to work out comprehensive machine hour for the machine shop. Sir, for the machine shop means 8 machines. Machine shop means 8 machines, sir. Okay, right. So, please collect expenses. 8 machines. Collect the expenses related to 8 identical drilling machines. Identical means similar machines. Identical means similar machines. Okay. The machine cannot be worked without operator wholly engaged on it. That means without operator machine can't be worked. Am I right? Without operator machine cannot be worked. Am I right? Right. Fully engaged on it. Okay. Right. Original cost of all these machines works out to 8 lakhs. Original cost of all these machines, that is 8 identical drilling machines, 8 lakhs. These particulars are furnished for a 6 months period. So, given details are related to 6 months period. Right. Sir, normal available hours, sir, per month 208 hours. Absenteeism without pay 18 hours. Leave with pay 20 hours. Normal idle time unavoidable 10 hours. Average rate of wage per worker for 8 hours a day 20 rupees. Production bonus 15% on wages. Okay. Value of power consumed, sir. Sir, value of power consumed related to 6 months period. 6 months period. 6 months period, sir. 6 months period. So, particulars are furnished under 6 months period. Okay. Right. Next. Supervision and indirect labor, this is also for 6 months period. Lighting and electricity, this is also for 6 months period. Next, remaining particulars are given for a year. So, year. These particulars are for a year. Repairs and maintenance including consumables 3% of value of machines, insurance 40,000, depreciation 10% of original cost, other sundry work expenses 12,000, general management expenses allocated 54,530. Right. Sir, my advice, collect all expenses for 6 months period, then add them. We get total mission expenses for 6 months period divided by effective mission hours for 6 months period. We get mission hour rate. So, you are required to work out comprehensive mission hour rate. So, sir, mission hour rate means comprehensive mission hour rate. So, no need to separately comprehensive. Suppose in the given in an examination, calculate mission hour rate, you will do comprehensive mission hour rate. So, comprehensive means mission expenses and mission shop expenses both are considered while calculating the mission hour rate. Right. So, here mission hour rate or comprehensive mission hour rate is equal to total mission expenses of machine shop divided by effective working hours of machines, effective working hours of machine for 6 months period. Numerator takes 6 months period, denominator also takes 6 months period. Right. Sir, effective working hours of machine. Sir, here that is not given, sir. Yes, it is not mentioned. But a clue is there. Without operator, machines cannot be worked. That means operators working hours should be treated as machine working hours. Since without operators, machine can't be worked. Without operator, machine can't be worked. Right. So, first calculate the operators working hours for 6 months period. Operators working hours. Sir, available working hours or normal working hours per month 208 hours, sir. Available hours per month, sir, per worker or per operator 208 hours, sir. Right. Sir, absenteeism without pay cutting 18 hours. So, 208 minus 18. Okay. Next, leave with pay hours 20 minus 20. Next, normal idle time 10. So, finally 160 hours, sir, effective working hours. So, 18 hours lost due to absenteeism, 20 hours lost due to leave, 10 hours were lost due to normal idle time. So, finally 48 hours, 208 minus 48, we get 160. That is the effective working hours per month per operator. Effective working hours per month per operator is equal to 160 hours. So, right, sir, for 6 months period for 6 operators. So, 160 into 6 months into 6 operators, that is equal to 5,760. That is operators working hours. So, effective working hours of operators for 6 months period. So, calculation of, so working note 1. Calculation of effective working hours. Calculation of effective working hours. Effective working hours of 6 operators. Effective working hours of 6 operators for 6 months period. right. Effective working hours, effective working hours per operator per month. Effective working hours per operator per month. Effective working hours per operator per month equal to 208 minus 18 hours were lost due to absenteeism. 18 hours were lost due to absenteeism. 20 hours were lost due to leave with pay. 10 hours were lost due to normal idle time. So 208 minus 18 minus 20 minus 10. So 160 hours. That is effective working hours per operator per month. Next, effective working hours for 6 operators for 6 months period. Effective working hours. Effective working hours. Effective working hours of 6 operators. Effective working hours of 6 operators for 6 months period. Effective working hours of 6 operators for 6 months period is equal to 160 hours into 6 into 160 hours into 6 months. 6 months into 6 operators. 6 operators is equal to 160 into 6 into 6, 5,760 hours. 5,760 hours. Right. Here, one important point is there. Without operator, machines cannot be worked. That means, operators' working hours should be treated as machine working hours. Am I right? Okay, note down. So, since without operator, machine cannot be worked. Machine cannot be worked. Machine cannot be worked. Without operator, machine cannot be worked. So, operators' working hours. Operators' working hours. Operators' working hours should be treated as machine working hours. Machine working hours. So, it's very, very important. So, without operator, machine cannot be worked. So, operators' working hours should be treated as machine working hours. Since without operator, machine cannot be worked, so operators' working hours should be treated as machine working hours. Therefore, machine working hours. So, effective machine hours. Effective machine hours. Effective machine hours for 6 months period equal to for 6 months period equal to 5,760 hours. 5,760 hours. Okay, right. So, calculation of effective working hours of 6 operators in 6 months period, and also calculate effective machine hours for 6 months period. So, this is the working note 1. Working note 2, sir. working note 2. Working note 2. Calculation of operators wages, sir. So, first calculate the working hours of 6 operators for 6 months period. Okay, right. Sir, here paid hours not equal to working hours. Am I right? Oh, okay, right. Sir, paid hours not equal to working hours. Here paid hours equal to just cut the absenteeism hours. Normal working hours 208, cut the absenteeism hours, we get the paid hours. Sir, leave with pay. So 20 hours payment released. Normal idle time 10 hours payment paid. So only absenteeism hours without pay, sir. So here paid hours equal to 208 minus 18, that is called 190 hours. So paid hours per operator per month is equal to 208 minus 18. 208 minus 18, 190 hours. 190 hours. 208 minus 18, 190 hours. So this is per operator per month. Next, for 6 operators for 6 months period. So paid hours of 6 operators for 6 months period. Paid hours of 6 operators. Paid hours of 6 operators. Paid hours of 6 operators for 6 months period. For 6 months period. Paid hours of 6 operators for 6 months period is equal to 190 hours into 6 operators into 6 months. Right. 190 into 6 into 6. So 6,847. Once again, 190 into 6 operators into 6 months, 6,840 hours. That is the paid hours. Here hourly payment is 20 by 8, sir. Hourly payment is 8 hours a day, day wage 20, so hourly payment to 20 divided by 8, 2.5, sir. Hourly payment to 2.5. Hourly payment to 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8. 2.5 per hour. 2.5 per hour. Okay, 2.5 per hour. Right. Next. 2.5 per hour. Right. Next. Operators wages for 6 months period. Operators wages for 6 months period. 6 months period is equal to 6,840 hours paid hours into 2.5. So 2.5 into 6,840 is equal to 17,100, sir. 17,100. So another working note, sir. right. Okay. Then work out the comprehensive machine hour rate for the machine shop. So, calculation of comprehensive machine hour rate for the machine shop. So, calculation of comprehensive machine hour rate for the machine shop. Particulars amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. Fixed charges for 6 months period. Fixed charges for 6 months period, sir. Please collect the fixed charges. Let us take one by one. First one, depreciation. Original cost of all these machines 8 lakhs. Rate of depreciation is given in the problem 10%, sir. So, depreciation is calculated on the basis of period wise. So, that will be shown under the head fixed charges. So, depreciation. So, depreciation 8 lakhs into 10%. 8, that is 8 lakhs into 10%. Rate of depreciation 10%, sir, into 6 by 12, 6 months period. 8 lakhs into 10% into 6 divided by 12, 40,000. Okay. Next, operators wages. Operators wages. Operators wages. That is, sir, already done, sir. See working note. See working note 2. See working note 2. 17,100, sir. 17,100. Okay. Next, production bonus. Production bonus, sir. That is 15% on wages. 15% on wages. So, here wages 17,100. 17,100 into 15%. 15%. 2565. So, 17,100 into 15%, sir, 2565. Next, value of power consumed, that is variable expenses. Next, supervision and indirect labor. So, this is fixed charges. Supervision and indirect labor amount 8,050 for 6 months period. Supervision and indirect labor. Supervision and indirect labor. Supervision and indirect labor. 8,050. Next, lighting and electricity. Sir, supervision and labor 3,300, sir. Sorry, 3,300. Wrongly mentioned. 3,300. Okay. Next, lighting and electricity, that is the machine shop lighting expenses. Lighting and electricity 1,200. Lighting and electricity. Lighting and electricity 1,200, sir, for 6 months period. Next, sir, repairs and maintenance variable charges. Insurance expenses, these expenses, these particulars, sir, here, these items related to 1 year, sir. So, insurance 40,000, sir. Insurance 40,000 into 6 by 12, 20,000. 6 by 12, 20,000. 6 by 12, 40,000 into 6 by 12, 20,000. Okay, next. Other sundry work expenses. Other sundry work expenses. Other sundry work expenses, sir. 12,000, sir, per year. For 6 months period, 12,000 into 6 by 12. 12,000 into 6 by 12. 6,000. Next, sir, general management expenses. General management expenses. General management expenses. General management expenses. 54,530 per year, sir, into 1 by 12. 54,530 54,530 into 6 by 12, sir. 6 months, sir. 6 by 12. Into 6 by 12. So, 54,530 into 6 divided by 12. 27,265. 27,265. 27,265. Okay, right. So, general management expenses completed. Okay, right. Okay, sir. Fixed charges charged. Next, take variable expenses. Variable expenses. Variable expenses. Variable expenses for 6 months period. collect it. Sir, value of power consumed for 6 months period 8,050, sir. Value of power consumed. Value of power consumed 8,050, sir. Next, sir. Repairs and maintenance including consumables. Very good. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. How much? Repairs and maintenance 3%, sir. 3%, that is 3% of value of machines, 8 lakhs. Okay. 3% of 8 lakhs. Into, sir, 6 by 12 is very, very important. This is given to rate given to percentage per annum, sir. So 8 lakhs into 3%, 24,000 into 6 divided by 12, 12,000, sir. 12,000. Right, sir, add them. 40,000 plus 17,100 plus 2565 plus 3300 plus 1200 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 27,265 plus 8,050 plus 12,000. 1,37,480, sir. Total machine expenses for 6 months period. For 6 months period. A. Next, B. Effective working hours of machines. Effective working hours of machines. Effective working hours of machines for 6 months period. For 6 months period. Already work out, sir. 5,760 hours. 5,760 hours. So, divide by 1,37,480 divided by 5,760, sir. 5,760. So, 23.87. Please check the answer. Exactly 23.87. Very good. So, 23.87. That is comprehensive machine hour rate. Comprehensive machine hour rate for a machine shop. Comprehensive machine hour rate for a machine shop, 23.87. So, this is the 17th problem, sir. So, completed. 17th problem completed.